Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Ethereum price hits $4,000 for the first time since 2021. Next, AI tokens are more hype than value right now, says Coinbase Analyst. Also, pro-Bitcoin Senator Cynthia Lummis pushes stablecoin bill. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube, and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: Ethereum price hits $4,000 for the first time since 2021. ETH price set a new multi-year high at $4,000, right as Bitcoin hit a new all-time high. Ether's price topped the $4,000 level for the first time since December 2021. Ether climbed from a price of $3,873 on March 8th, soaring more than 4% in the last 24 hours and 74% year-to-date to hit a 27-month at $4,003 on Bitstamp, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Ether's price performance appears to be boosted by Ethereum's upcoming Denkin update and the possible approval of a spot Ether exchange-traded fund by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. ETH resumed its uptrend on March 8th, while other top-cap cryptocurrencies flashed greed and Bitcoin reclaimed $68,000. Ether has stayed on the path, marching steadily toward the much-awaited $4,000 psychological level as the community waited for the Ethereum network's Denkin upgrade. The Denkin upgrade, the most significant improvement to the Ethereum network since the merge, aims to implement a number of Ethereum Improvement Proposals, or EIPs, including EIP 4844, which introduces proto-danksharding. Proto-danksharding is a feature that allows the blockchain to use blobs, thereby simplifying the transaction process by storing some data off the blockchain, speeding up transactions, and cutting costs for Layer 2 chains and rollups that depend on Ethereum. Ethereum developers have set the Denkin mainnet to go live on March 13th. Another factor driving ETH's price performance is the expectation that the SEC will approve one of the several spot Ether ETF applications before it. Despite the regulator delaying its decision on spot Ethereum ETF applications from BlackRock and Fidelity, market participants remain hopeful that one will be allowed soon. The financial watchdog is expected to deliver a decision on all the spot Ether ETF applications on the same day as it did with Bitcoin ETFs on January 10th, so as not to give one issuer undue advantage over others. The statutory deadline for the SEC to allow or deny an Ether ETF is set for May 23rd. Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seifert believes the SEC will not take as long to process Ether ETF applications as it did with Bitcoin ETFs. In a February 7th post on X, Seifert said that May 23rd is the only date that matters when it comes to Ether ETFs. Drawing from the success of spot Bitcoin ETFs since their market debut on January 11th, a spot Ether ETF product is expected to perform in a similar manner, allowing more capital to flow into the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Institutional investors could further increase their Ether exposure as attention will subside from Bitcoin's recent all-time high, according to Siddharth Lalwani, the co-founder and CEO of Range Protocol. He told Cointelegraph, "Once the attention from Bitcoin moves away to the potential of an ETH ETF, liquidity will retrace and consolidate at high levels, leading to price rallies for the macro outlook. All in all, it's pretty safe to say that it won't be long before institutional investors take bigger positions in Ether. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, AI tokens are more hype than value right now, says Coinbase Analyst. While some crypto AI tokens continue to deliver profitable trades, the long-term sustainability of the ecosystem will require more than just decentralizing AI components. While technologists continue to explore artificial intelligence, or AI, use cases in all business verticals, a Coinbase research report suggests that AI-related tokens may be overhyped right now, at least in the short and medium term. The rising popularity of generative AI spurred niche crypto sub-ecosystems over the last couple of years. However, Coinbase research analyst David Hahn believes that the rapid changes in AI make us cautious of the long-term sustainability of most AI tokens. One of the primary challenges with crypto AI projects lies within the core of both technologies. While crypto projects often aim for decentralization, the current AI offering relies heavily on centralized components and data sources, argues Hahn. In addition, most projects in the niche have failed to attract investors, resulting in under-indexed capital allocation. The report highlights two opportunities for the crypto AI ecosystem: improving the blockchain data for creating human-readable transactions, and analysis and helping decentralize the predominantly centralized AI infrastructure. However, Hahn said, a decentralized AI future, as it is currently envisioned by many in the crypto industry, is not guaranteed. In fact, the future of the AI industry itself is still largely undetermined. Despite the negative outlook, many AI tokens have recently outperformed Bitcoin and major stocks such as Nvidia and Microsoft. Coinbase attributed this to the market sentiment built by the broader crypto market and supported by related AI news headlines. The crypto AI narrative could grow even stronger amid the continued constructive crypto market and the outperforming AI sector. However, Coinbase suggests that driving meaningful adoption will require more than just decentralizing AI components. It is important to note that the AI ecosystem is currently in its nascency and will have to understand the underlying trading narrative at the very least, eventually providing a comparable alternative to today's crypto assets. Complementing Coinbase's suggestion for meaningful developments in the crypto AI sphere, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin recently said AI could be crucial to eradicating bugs buried deep within its code. On February 19th, Buterin shared his excitement for AI-powered auditing to identify and fix buggy code in the Ethereum network, describing it as the biggest technical risk to the network. AI tokens cumulatively hold a market capitalization of $51.18 billion as of March 8th, according to Crypto.com data. These tokens serve AI-based projects, applications, and services such as decentralized AI marketplaces, AI-powered trading algorithms, and AI-driven decentralized autonomous organizations, to name a few. Our next top headline, pro-Bitcoin Senator Cynthia Lummis pushes stablecoin bill. Pro-Bitcoin Senator Cynthia Lummis is drafting regulations for stablecoins after attacking major stablecoin firm Tether in 2023. Pro-Bitcoin United States Senator Cynthia Lummis is drafting regulations for stablecoins, a type of cryptocurrency pegged to real-world assets to ensure stable prices. Lummis has been working jointly with Senator Kirsten Gillibrand for several months on a bill aiming to provide regulatory clarity for stablecoins and protect investors, the U.S.-based news agency Axios reported on March 7th. Citing several spokespeople for Lummis and Gillibrand's offices, the report notes that the senators hope to officially announce the news following encouraging feedback from multiple stakeholders. The New York Department of Financial Services, the Federal Reserve, the Treasury Department, and the National Economic Council have provided technical assistance on the Senate bill the report mentioned. For Lummis and Gillibrand, the work on stablecoin regulation would not be their first foray into drafting cryptocurrency-related legislation. In July 2013, the senators announced a joint effort to reintroduce legislation aimed at establishing a comprehensive regulatory framework for digital assets. Lummis has emerged as a major pro-Bitcoin lawmaker in the U.S., advocating for Bitcoin multiple times. In October 2021, Lummis urged the U.S. government to thank God for Bitcoin amid U.S. President Joe Biden approving another raise of the country's debt limit. Lummis called on the U.S. government to take advantage of Bitcoin because it is decentralized and not controlled by any government. Lummis is also known for accumulating significant amounts of Bitcoin, buying BTC in batches of $50,000 and $100,000 in 2021. While bullish on Bitcoin, Lummis has grown skeptical about some major stablecoins recently, including Tether, the largest stablecoin by market capitalization and the most traded cryptocurrency at the time of writing. In October 2023, Lummis backed a massive campaign against Tether, asking the U.S. Justice Department, or DOJ, to consider criminal charges against the stablecoin firm amid some reports alleging that it engaged in illicit financial transactions. Tether subsequently reacted to lawmakers' request for DOJ action, claiming it wants to be a world-class partner to U.S. regulations. Most recently, Lummis has also been aggressively opposing central bank digital currencies, arguing that such digital currencies are anti-democratic and a means of financial censorship. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.